In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Whop subscription. We're going to walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have a smooth experience setting up your subscription. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Whop website. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's always a good idea to understand the layout before diving into any new platform. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Look for and select the Products option. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your existing products or create new ones. On the top right corner of this page, you'll notice a button labeled Create Product. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll start setting up your new subscription. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so you'll find it quite intuitive to navigate through the options. Next, you'll want to focus on the pricing of your subscription. It's crucial to set a price that reflects the value of the product or service you're offering. On the pricing page, you'll find various options to tailor the subscription to your needs. Spend a few moments considering your pricing strategy, as this can significantly impact your customer base. Once you've settled on your pricing, it's time to select the Paid Access option. This ensures that only paying customers will have access to the content or service you're providing. It's a straightforward process, and once you click on Paid Access, your subscription is almost ready to go. As you proceed, make sure to review all the information you've entered. Double-check the details to ensure everything is accurate and as you intended. This step is essential to avoid any potential issues down the line. After reviewing, your subscription setup should be complete. Remember, it's always a good idea to test the process from a customer's perspective. This way, you can ensure everything works smoothly and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Whop subscription. By following these steps, you'll be able to offer your product or service through a seamless subscription model. This can open up new revenue streams and allow you to reach a broader audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy subscribing, and see you in the next video.